Ooh, he got me a short card Motown Metal. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. We are just a few subscribers away from hitting that huge milestone of 1,000 subscribers, so I definitely do appreciate everyone who has subscribed and stuck around and supported the channel. I definitely do appreciate you. But guys, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing another package I got from Alex Graf. We're currently in the middle of a trade, which I do have his vehicles set aside over here, which I'll probably reuse this box to send it out. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what Alex sent me. Guys, let's get this box open and see what he sent. All right, cool. All right, so he says, Mustang Hunter, I've enjoyed trading with you and am enjoying having a friendship grow while we help each other's collections grow. Very thankful for people like you in this hobby. Enjoy, Alex Graf. Alex is just another one of the amazing collectors I've met through YouTube, through social media in general. There are so many great guys out there. Derek from Honest Diecast, Adrian over at Big A's Diecast, Eric at King Nut Diecast, you got New Collector, you got Derek Marr, you have Rapid Nismo, you got a bunch of people out there who are just amazing collectors. If I forgot to mention you, just know I definitely do appreciate everyone who is in this community together. So we're gonna go ahead and see what is in this box. All right, look at this, nicely wrapped. Looks like he's got a few things in here, and I could already see one of my new favorites. Look at this. This is the blue variation of the Nitto 92 Fox body. Look at that bad boy right there. You already know I have the red variation. He was over at a collector store, and I asked him if they had the blue one, which they did. And look at that. Man, this is so nice. That's going to go perfectly in there. And I just reorganized this, so I'm definitely going to have to adjust the Fox bodies. But of course, I'm always excited to get a new one in there. Look at this one right here, guys. The 1970 Mach 1. I'm glad he sent this because I was legit looking at this. I went to the collector store again, and I seen this, and I was really close to buying it, and I didn't, luckily. But check this out. It does have the really nice metallic blue transitioning into the red right there on the side with the huge Hot Wheels logo. You do have the chrome rear window louvers and chrome spoiler, which is attached, it looks like, to the chrome interior, chrome shaker hood, chrome front grille. Really nice. And you do have the 7-spoke wheels all the way around. Look at this car. This is really nice. Mach 1s are growing, and this is going to fit in nicely. The next one is the same car, but a different recolor variation in black and red, as well as the same chrome interior. This is really sweet. I didn't even know that they had two different variations, but of course, I should know that already with Mattel. They're going to have all kinds of color variations. Looks like the only difference is there's a little bit more sponsor tampos right there on the rear fender, whereas this one just has a few. But look at that, guys. These are super sweet. Let's see what else we... Ooh, he got me a short card Motown Metal. Check this out, guys. This thing is really clean. 65 Mustang convertible with the Hot Wheels. Looks like Hot Wheels 350 on the side. That is sick. So we got the gold 10-spoke wheels, black interior. Of course, this is before the retooling, so it does have the opening hood. Dang, that is nice. Nice short card, and definitely another new variation of the convertibles in my set. And he did hook it up with the white Baja Bug. He already sent me the red variation, and he knows that now that I'm collecting those, that now I need the other variation. So that is awesome to throw that in there. Thank you so much. And let's see what is in here. I can already see some collector series. Let me use this blade. But let's pull this out. There we go. Check this out, guys. The yellow 1999 Mustang convertible from Matchbox. This is number 3 of 100 vehicles for this series. It looks like the open road series. It's almost close to the screaming yellow that Mustangs come in. And you can see right there, it has the Matchbox 2000 tampo on the window. Really clean. Love the C stripe right there running on the side with the Mustang tampo right there. Really clean. Definitely an old Matchbox. This one is, looks like collector number 377. Ooh, man, look at that. This looks so good in person. This is the 1996 first edition, number 12 of 12 models. the Ferrari F50. Man, this thing is nice. Got the old chrome lace wire wheels right there, black interior, the yellow Hot Wheels Tampo right there. Man, this is nice. You guys know I'm trying to get my Ferrari lineup in order, and I do have the Ferrari 348 as well as the Ferrari F355 Challenge that I just got this weekend. This thing is really nice. Of course, I had to throw those in the Protecto packs, but this one's definitely going to have to go in there. This is super clean. I remember having a 1/18 scale of this car as a kid, and I loved that opening hatch in the back and looking at that motor. But this thing is nice. Look at that card condition. That is very good looking. Man, that is flat. All right, next ones you got. Oh man, he hooked it up. You got the 65 Mustang convertible number 455 in the collector lineup in a really nice, huge metal flake gold with the white interior, 5-spoke wheels. And this is also another old cast in my lineup. This is really, really sweet. This is from 1991. So this one, as well as the one I picked up this past weekend right here. This 1965 convertible I picked up as well this weekend. And look at that. You have the older style card right there, and then the Corvette variation of the blue card. These are both from 1991. So these are 30 years old. And look at these card conditions. These are really, really nice looking. God. That's crazy how something like this that's 30 years old can last longer than a lot of these new cars. I guess that was before the death bin from Walmart was even created. Here we go, guys. Finally finishing off my Porsche 917 collection. You have the baby blue Golf of the 917. This is awesome. Finally finish off this set. So now I have the baby blue, the white, the red, the psychedelic, and the blue one as well. And then this Zamac right here. Oh my God, that is a beautiful casting. God, that is nice. Alex, thank you so much for sending me this. Wherever you went, your buddy's place, their cards are in phenomenal shape. Look at this short card. This is in really good shape too. You do have like a little soft corner, but stuff like that doesn't bother me. Like I've always said, it's usually when the card is completely destroyed or creases when it bothers me. Soft corners don't. I'm definitely going to be hooking you up with some other great cars in this lineup right here that I have set aside for you. Definitely love that our friendship is growing. Our collections are growing together. I definitely do appreciate you hunting for me. I'm still hunting for you, especially for those casts that you let me know that you're looking for. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought. Which one of these was your favorite out of the unboxing? Also, if you enjoyed the video and other videos on my channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on anything by clicking the notification bell and staying tuned for future videos. So that's all I got, guys. Hopefully you have a great Sunday. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.